Hi guys, welcome back to the channel once again. It's your girl Dumebi Lea, and if this is your first time, I do hope you decide to subscribe and join my big happy family. And if you're an oldie and a returning, you guys know you're the real MVP. I love you, you know how we do it. So today's video is a tutorial on this look that you already saw in the beginning, which I think is really cute. So I already did my brows using two eyebrow pencils, actually from two Nigerian brands. I used the Cosmetics eyebrow pencil and I used the Blossom Cosmetics eyebrow pencil to kind of darken it just a bit. Then I cleaned my brows using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn. Now the eyeshadow palette that I'm using is the Blossom Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, and before that I used the Blossom Cosmetics gel liner as an eyeshadow base before I applied the black eyeshadow from the Blossom Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. So I used the the green neon pigment. What I did was I just mixed a bit of the pigment with some setting spray, then I made it into a kind of thick paste, and I used my eyeliner brush to just do the dots on top of the smoky eye that I already created. So now moving over to the eyelashes that I use is from the Belvana lashes. It's also a Nigerian brand. They sent me these eyelashes. They are very fluffy and thick and I really like them. The design is like really cute, that particular one that I'm wearing right now. So for my face, I use the number 7 Beautifully Matte primer. I love this primer. It's a pity that it's been discontinued, and once this one finishes it means I won't be able to get another one. Then for my foundation, I use one of my all-time favorites, the Juvia's Place foundation in the shade Angular 140. And then for my highlights, I did not have the right shade of highlight that I usually use, so instead I mixed two different shades of concealer, which is Beyond Beauty Pro Conceal in the shade Dark Cocoa and Medium Beige, to get the shade that I use. See guys, makeup is all about improvisation. You guys can see how the concealer looks really good, you know, it matches. It's not too light, neither is it too dark. So that was what I used. And the beauty sponge that I'm using is also from Blossom Cosmetics. You guys, it is a Nigerian brand. I cannot stress that Nigerian brands are impressing me every day. So I'm highlighting the usual spots on my face that I usually highlight. Now to conceal, to contour, you guys, I'm going into the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 2. This is their shade 2. It is extremely dark and it is really creamy. It doesn't dry down too matte. It gives this kind of satin finish that I like. I really love this Juvia's Place fake complexion products. So I'm just blending that right in. Now to set my highlighted areas, I'm going into the Mercier setting powder. You guys, I was listening to music. I was doing the Betty Butter challenge. Betty Butter is a Nigerian song, and I did the Betty Butter challenge while I was filming this video. So if you see me dancing, just know that it was the song that was playing in the background that I was dancing to. So now over to face powder. I used the Glams Cosmetics compact powder for my face. Then to contour, I'm also using the Beyond Beauty compact powder in the shade 06. Man, it is dark. You guys, if you need the darkest shades of face products by Nigerian brand, try Beyond Beauty Cosmetics. So now for my blush, I'm going into the Bella blush from Juvia's Place. I love this shade of blush. It suits my dark skin so perfectly. I love blush, guys. Can you see how excited I am? So for my glow, I'm going into the Blossom Cosmetics loose bronzer, Oshaprapra is a Nigerian slang or Yoruba slang for something that is shining so much that it's so bright it almost wants to blind the eye. So that's what this highlighter does. Can you guys see the way it has lit up my entire face? So now to set the face, I'm going into the Royal Cosmetic setting spray. This is also another Nigerian brand that was sent to me as PR. And then to line my eyes, I wanted to make it pop with that same neon green pigment. So I first of all put my Benai Banana Clown White as a base before applying the green neon pigment, and can you guys see that the color is really popping? So now I did some mascara and I'm going into my lips using another Nigerian brand. This one is Nuban Beauty and that is the shade Safari. I think that lipstick is the shade Safari. You guys, I always thought this lip color looked awkward on me, but it looks so beautiful, like a perfect shade of nude for me, but with a kind of orange tint. I just lined it using the Mabrook pencil and it is absolutely gorgeous. So I used the Paula Beauty lip gloss. This is also a Nigerian brand. I realize I'm using a full face of Nigerian brands apart from the Juvia's Place products. Of course, Juvia's Place is actually black owned by a Nigerian lady called Chichi. So yes, you guys, this is the end of the makeup look and I'm feeling myself. What do you guys think? Please give this video a thumbs up, share this video, drop me a nice comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Bye. Mwah.